The human body hides 5 core systems that keep you thriving from morning to night, and today a team of experts explains how they work in harmony. Recent research shows mitochondria power nearly every cellular task, so small habits like balanced meals and adequate sleep strengthen your energy, mood, and focus. A clinician shares how hydration, steady movement, and breath control support circulation and stress resilience, while a personal anecdote reveals that steady routines can help beat chronic fatigue. Practical tips include weekly micro goals, smarter meals, and simple strength and cardio combos. Together, these strategies unlock sustainable health and everyday vitality.